We made a decision on the corner cabinet.
Yeah, we sure did.
Between one of three choices, if you've been watching, and today is the day we're going to make a change and hopefully add a little bit of Texas history to it. Let's go down that road. Hello, faithful people. I'm Orleen.
I'm Gary, and we are making changes.
Yes, I'm so excited. We're not going to tell you what we're doing just yet. We're going to have you keep guessing. But we were going to either make the corner cabinet into a desk or a seating area of some kind, like a bench with a lid that lifted up. Or we were going to cut the part of the cabinet down, make it smaller, and have a chair next to it.
Okay.
So what did we decide? Well, here's the good news. One of the snowbirds that has been coming to church here has done a lot of work for something in our synod called Kingdom Workers. And they go to places where they have like hurricanes or tornadoes or some natural disaster, and they can go in and they can help rebuild. The other thing they do is they build churches in like foreign countries, like in Africa and other places around the world. So he has a lot of experience. And we got to talking about some of the things we wanted to do, and he came in and took a look at everything. And he's got tools with him that we don't have. So we're pretty excited because he's coming any minute now, and he's going to help us to do what we're going to do to the corner here that's going to make things more efficient and give us a better use of space and
improve.
Yes. And then he's going to hopefully, maybe he's got some solutions for our kitchen table. Our kitchen. I think this is so funny. Our living room is 5 by what? 5 by 7? That's the floor space. Anyway, our living room is going to be improved and our kitchen is going to be improved. We're going to do something different with the table. And the flooring had to be special ordered. So that's not coming until Friday.
Yeah, Friday at the earliest.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can pick it up Friday and get started soon after.
Yeah. So that's going to be another video for sure. But today we're tackling the corner. It is amazing the stuff you can accumulate when you have a place to stash it. Oh my goodness. All of this came out of this. We are going to be modifying. You'll have to stay tuned to find out what we're going to do with it. But yeah, the essential oils in that little purple bag and the little boom box next to it, I want to keep those. I want to keep, of course, the lanterns. The little piano has come in handy for choir music. The exercise stuff, we forget it's in there. And all these maps and everything, oh my gosh. And everybody always gives you all these freebie brochures and everything, and they always look like they'll be really, really handy, but don't need them. Everything was cleared out, and we put a few things up on top that we need to find room for with new shelving underneath. Gary took the door off. We're going to have to get the carpeting out of there. We took all the books and everything out of our library, and now Gary's going to see what's underneath. Going to see what's underneath the wood. Wood on wood. So if there's wood under the carpet, oh, it's going to have glue on it. Staples. So this board covered the staple.
The carpet and the part, yeah.
Okay.
probably stapled all the way down. But we'll pull that all off.
Right.
Probably not today.
The one that was so hard to get out?
No.
Oh, rats.
That one is still in.
I was hoping that it was.
Well, maybe we'll have to get the handbagger in here and make a little noise.
The one that was a problem?
No.
Oh.
The one that's sticking right there.
First we have to get the switch for the propane light taken care of, and then this whole unit is going to have to come out. And then it'll go back in when the new flooring goes in. So it'll go on top of the flooring, which we don't have yet. So this is going to be interesting. This is the backside of the propane indicator. It's different than a carbon monoxide. It's just for propane. But we need it. That's a shocker. We thought there should be vinyl underneath the whole thing,
I'm sure when they build them.
Yeah, but then when we tore up part of this, it was plywood. We just didn't go back far enough to see the vinyl.
I think we were over on that end and it probably didn't. I don't know if it was just a gap there by the step.
Unit could come out if you were not going to reuse it, but because we're going to reuse it, we have to just take the carpeting out from around it. Is that right?
Yes.
Vinyl under here was a total shocker. We did not expect that. We had checked it before in other places and it did not have vinyl under it. So either it doesn't go all the way through or I don't know. But this would have holes and everything in it anyway. So it's still gonna go. But now we don't have to buy insulation for the floor in the living room. The shelf that was in there before was cut down so that it went straight across instead of filling up the whole thing, and we're going to be putting it back about the same height as it was before. Oh, that came off. Okay. Now that we know that there's vinyl underneath the floor, we're thinking about getting this out of here.
This is the new carpet.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what a difference. It's an entirely different color. Wow. Knew it was bad, but I mean, and this wasn't even walked on. This was what was on the front here.
Yes. Yeah.
And then this color was on top, and that was covered up with a board. So, oh wow.
Exactly.
Yeah. And then there's this.
Yeah. Another shade.
Another shade. This is the color that it's
Become.
yeah, it is coming out. So this is what it's looking like now. The shelf is not done. This one is we're going to get a piece that's going to go over this with just a little bit of a lip on it to keep whatever is on the shelf from falling off. And so that's got to be finished. But this, now we don't have to cover this. We thought we would probably have to cover that. And now we won't have to. That's nice.
Yeah.
And so we can just do the floor, the new floor right up to it. It'll be interesting to see what's going to be under the step then too. That could possibly be wood, although I doubt it. I think they did, they did this all as one piece. Then they covered it with the carpet on that one. So anyway, I could not believe how long it took. It took about 3 hours to do that little project. We have one more thing that's going to be adding some Texas history to this. It'll make for a very unique little desk. But that's going to be coming later, after we get the floor in. Yeah! We're going to finish this one up for today. We are in the process of trying to find a place that's open on a Tuesday to take Lloyd and Joanne out for dinner because of all of his help today. So anyway, we're on our way. The first couple places we were going to go to were closed. So we're trying another one. I hope you like this video. We have more remodeling projects coming yet, and we're not done by a long shot. So keep watching and come back for more. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave us a comment if you have a comment. If you have any things you might want to add to what we're doing or any ideas, check out our Facebook page, Roads of Faith. Hit that red button down below and subscribe. Next to it is a little bell will come up, and then if you click on that bell, then you will get notified every time new videos come up. We found it. It does not look open. Is it open? Oh no. Okay. And until next time, God bless.